Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is an updated version about how to install IPTV Smarters on FireStick devices. Alright, so first of all you will need to go to the App Store. Click on that. You go to search. And here you will search for downloader. You will find this icon here. It's the app that we're looking for. And you will install it. Just like that. Now you click on open up. Here you come allow. Okay. Now you will need to go back to the menu and go to the settings. Come down to my FireStick. Click on about and click 5 times on this here. You keep clicking on it until you see the message below. Now you go back and click on developer options. Come down, click on install unknown apps and turn on downloader. All right, now you need to go back to menu again and go on apps. Come down to downloader. All right, here you need to enter 298344. This is the code for the app. And now you go down to IPTV Smarters Pro and you click on it. You wait for the download. Now click install. And now click done. Click done again. And let's go back to the menu. Click on apps. Now if you go to the bottom here, you will see IPTV Smarters app installed. You can press on it and change the location. And you cannot open the app now. Here you have 2 options. You will click on TV and save it. Now you come down to the bottom, you click accept, and here you go. You got your IPTV Smarters installed in your FireStick. And here you can enter informations for watching TV. Alright guys, enjoy.